Before you begin, be sure the car is parked safely and is turned off. Always be mindful of hot components like radiator hoses, caps, and other components nearby. The air filter for the 2.5-liter 2022 Ford Escape Hybrid and Ford Escape Hybrid plug-in is very easy to replace, and it can be done in less than 5 minutes and no tools are required. To remove the old filter, you can locate the main filter box at the driver's side front of the engine bay just behind the radiator. To open, simply pop the two clips located at the front of the box, down in front on both the left and right side. The box is secured at the rear by two tightly fitted tabs that are a little bit difficult to see, but they allow the box to slide out by working the box forward and away. Once the tabs are clear, you can lift the box upward enough to pull the air filter element out of the box. Replacing the air filter is just the reverse order of removal, taking care to make sure that you've seated the filter and that the edges aren't pinched in any way. Carefully work the two tabs at the rear of the box into their proper locations, and then tilt the box forward to secure the front latches. Ensure a tight fit before driving.